Interesting question with an equation relating x and y, and we're trying to work out the set of all values of x and y that can, we could draw. Okay, well, the thing that jumped out at me in this question is that if I minus the x squared, I'm going to get a difference of two squares. I can factorize it. It didn't look just easy to factorize if I put it all on one side, but if I just deal with the left-hand side, and then I'm going to add the 2y to this side, then I can actually also factorize the right-hand side. So then we get y plus x times y minus x is going to be 2x plus y, or I'm going to write it as y plus x. Okay, now there's two things you can now do. Method one is to divide through by y plus x. Cross it out. And so we get y minus x equals 2. But you have to do this, you have to account for the fact that y plus x might equal 0. If it equals 0, you're not allowed to divide through by it and cancel it out, but what you would have is that y plus x is equal to 0. So we actually get two solutions here. We're going to get y is equal to x plus 2, or y is equal to minus x. Okay, we'll look at the graph in a second, but that is actually the solution to this problem. Second method, often I think this method is better, but in this case, I would probably go with the way I've done it. Second method is to take the factorized expression and get it all on one side. For other sorts of equations, I would always do this. So it's going to be minus 2y plus x equals 0. And then I'm actually going to factorize out the y plus x from both terms. So with big bracket, it's going to be y minus x minus 2. And I've factorized it fully, okay? And I don't think that's easy to do straight from here to see that that is going to be the case. But by factorizing the two sides separately and then bringing it together, it wasn't so bad. So now we can say either this is 0, y is equal to minus x, therefore, or this is 0, so y minus x is equal to 2. We get the same answers as up here. So it's just a different way of thinking about it. Here I've factorized it fully. I don't know. There's two like little things you just have to realize. When you divide by something, you have to account for whether it might be 0. Okay. And then also when you bring things together, you can actually factorize not just an x, but any common term. So you can factorize out the y plus x. So those are two ideas to make sure you understand. Now we've got our solutions. Y is equal to x plus 2 and y is equal to minus x. So just looking at it, it's got to be E. Okay, so yeah, the rest of them, these are not straight lines. This is a straight line, but it looks like I've got y equals minus x and then y equals x minus 2. E is the answer.